Now we are discussing about the nomenclature based on all previous rules what we discussed in the previous classes. Based on that, now we have to take few examples to honor the name to the particular molecule. Here I have CH3, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2 and bond CH3. Right? This is the existed molecule. Then how to honor the name? Then in that first we have selection of parent chain, right? So first we have to select the parent chain. So parent chain we have to connect or design like this. All carbons is in parent chain because when you take the two ends and if you are just in straight, that should be appearing like a linear form or straight form, right? For that all should be in parent chain, right? Then how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are there. Write it one side. 6 carbons are there. That you should be considered as what? Parent child. Right? Is there any substituents? No substituents is present. So, substituents are not present. Is there any functional groups? No functional groups are present. For that, the number of carbons only we should consider as the name of particular molecule, right? So we're not having substituents, we're not having functions. Then first we have to take word root. So word root existed with maximum number of carbons in the parent chain. Here 6 carbons are there. For that we can able to write hex, right? Is there any double bonds or triple bonds? No double bonds, no triple bonds. Means substituents not there, functional groups not there, and double bond, triple bond is not there. Then directly, what bond is present? Single bond is present for that. So, the given particular molecule structure having the name as hexane, right children? Here we have one more example to write the name as to that particular molecule in the nomenclature part. Then, in this example, we have the molecule formula is CH3 bond CH2 bond CH and above one Cl and below one Br means chlorine bromine and bond CH above one bromine below one chlorine bond CH3, right? So in that first we have to select the parent chain, right? So this is I selected as parent chain because I hope all carbons are present. For that we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. Total number of carbons also 5. Then we should give the numbering from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then one more from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then first we have to check, is there any substituents, either alkyls or halides? So here chlorine there, bromine there. Below also bromine there, chlorine there. Right? So that indicates we have halides. Right? Then still you have to verify any functional groups are there. No functional groups are there. Still you have to search for any double bonds or triple bonds. No double bonds, no triple bonds. Except halides. So same thing. Halides are present. Halides are present. So functional groups not there. Right? And double bond, triple bond also not there. Right? Then how to honor the name? For that, we given numbering from two directions, from left to right and right to left. Right? Then, in left to right, on third carbon and fourth carbon. Right? On third carbon and on fourth carbon, we have the substituents. Chlorine and bromine on third carbon, bromine and chlorine on fourth carbon. We have to write 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. Because 2 are there now. For that, we have to write 2 numbers. Right? For chlorine, for bromine. So I written it here. And here also 4 we have to write. Then right to left. On second carbon we have substituents and on third carbon we have substituents. 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 3. See 2 from right to left. Second carbon and this is third carbon. Right? Then sum of these all values is 4 plus 6 10. Here 6 plus 8 14. So this is the lowest sum when you compare with this. Means the numbering is incorrect from left to right. Correct from right to left. Right? So we have all clarities. We selected the lowest number, lowest sum rule, and we identified what are present. Then easy to write the name. So first we have to write word root. Word root. So how many carbons are there? 5 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the count from left to right or right to left? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means we have to write as pent. Right, children? Then we have same type of halides on different carbons. For that, no need to worry. First, we have to write alphabet wise. Here bromine is there, bromine is there. In alphabet, first B is present before the C. Right? So first we have to write bromo. At what place? We give a numbering from right to left. Right to left to get the lowest sum. For that, what positions? On second carbon we have bromine and on third carbon we have bromine. For that we have to write 2, 3 hyphen and di. Di indicates 2 bromines are there. Same thing. On second carbon and third carbon we have chlorines. 2, 3 di chloro penta as it is. These all we simply called as prefix. That two prefix are what types? Halides. So we give a name before the word root or not. Then after that, what type of bonds are there? Single bond is there. The name of this particular molecule is 2, 3 dibromo, 2, 3 dichloro-pentane. Right, children? Understood? I have taken one more example. Here, the molecule is CH2 double bond C double bond CH bond CH above one chlorine and below one chlorine CH2 bond CH. Right? In that, first to write the name, what's our condition? We have to select the, that's good, parent chain, right? So I am going to select the parent chain. So here, this is the parent chain because this one is able to give maximum number of carbons in a parent chain, right? For that, here I am going to start counting with allot the numberings, right? Here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Even though we have to adjust in like this straight, but we have to consider same like we don't need to transfer new, right? Then one more from left to right. Completed. Now we are going to write right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So numberings are finished. Then first we have to verify what are present outside the parent chain. So here only chlorines are present, right? So we have to write halides are present. Which halides? Halides. Right? No functional groups are there. And we have to select any double bond or triple bond. Here one double bond is there, here one double bond is there. Right? So double bond is present. So double bond is present. So when double bond is present, that should be have to carry priority. Right? Means that is the first one. Right? For that, here double bond on first carbon and second carbon from left to right direction. But whereas come to this side, here fourth carbon and fifth carbon is having double bond. See, fourth carbon and fifth carbon from right to left. So it is incorrect one and it is correct one. Right? So we have to verify with lowest sum condition. For that, here first carbon and second carbon and fourth carbon having their specifications. So first we have to look into left to right direction. So first carbon and second carbon and fourth carbon. And fourth carbons we have two substituents or not? The two substituents are what? Halides. For that we have to write 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Right? Then, whereas come to right to left, even though we decided it is incorrect, We have to verify once again, right? When you come with right to left, on third carbon we have first, second. On third carbon we have chlorines. Means 3 plus 3. Again, on fourth carbon and fifth carbon we have double bonds. Fourth and fifth carbon, fifth and sixth. For that we have to write 4, 5. So 4 and 5. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. Right? So here value is 11. Here value is 15 for lowest sum. So this is the lowest sum. This is the highest one. Already we decided or not? Then in the parent chain how many carbons are there? We have 6 carbons. So first we have to write word root, that is existed with maximum number of carbons in the parent chain. So how many carbons are there? We have 6 carbons. For that we have to write as hex, right? Then we have to write only halides as before the place of word root as prefix, right? So here halides are considered as prefixes. Then what are there? 2 chlorines are there. For that we have to write chloro, right? Hyphen, right? Then specify the place. We given right to left condition, sorry, left to right condition or not? Left to right. On which carbon? On fourth carbon. For that we call 4, 4 hyphen di, right? And hex. Still anything is there? We have double bonds. Double bonds is comes under suffix, that is mandatory, right? So after the word root we have to write the particular double bonds. Here how many double bonds are there? 2 double bonds are there. Where on first carbon and second carbon. How many are there? 2 are there. We have to write like this. For that entire molecule name 4, 4 dichloro hex 1, 2 diene. So this is the name for that entire molecule. Right children? Understood?